Class 10 NCERT exercise 5.1 question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. नीचे दिए गए स्क्वेंस है, इनमें से कौन सा स्क्वेंस जो है AP बनाता है। अगर AP बनाता है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है और 3 मोर टर्म्स हमें राइट डाउन करनी है। Solution of the ninth part. Given sequence is 1, 3, 9, 27. T1 equal to 1, T2 equal to 3, T3 equal to 9, T4 equal to 27, T2 minus T1, 3 minus 1 that is equal to 2, T3 minus T2, 9 minus 3 that is equal to 6, T4 minus T3, 27 minus 9 that is equal to 18. In this case, T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2 not equal to T4 minus T3. So this sequence does not form the AP. Now the solution of the 10th part. Tenth part. T1 equal to A, second term that is 2A, third term that is 3A, fourth term that is 4A. Now T2 minus T1 equal to 2A minus A equal to A, T3 minus T2, 3A minus 2A equal to A, T4 minus T3, 4A minus 3A that is equal to A. So T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equivalent to A. So common difference is D equal to A. Now we have to write 3 more terms. We write down T5 that is A plus n minus 1D, that is A plus 4D. In this case, given sequence form the AP. Given sequence form AP because common difference is equal. Now fifth term that is A plus n minus 1D, A plus 4D, value of A that is A, 4 difference that is A plus 4A that is equal to 5A, T6 A plus n minus 1D, a plus 5d, the value of that is a, difference that is a, we have a plus 5a, that is equal to 6a. T7, we apply the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d, 7 minus 1d equal to a plus 6d, the value of it that is a, first term that is a, 6d, difference that is a, we have 7a.